thanks for checking out the channel, watching the video. Today we are making a carrot cake. Now this is going to be a little twist on the traditional carrot cake that uses butter or oils. We're actually going to use egg whites only, and we're going to use applesauce. So it makes a denser cake, but it's a good cake. And instead of the cream cheese, we're going to resist that delicious cream cheese icing, and we're going to use a light whipped topping that you can buy in the freezer section at the Walmart. So let's get going. We're going to set our oven and get rolling. All right, first thing we're going to do is shred our carrots. So we've got our disc in our new Ninja food processor. We've got the shredding side on, and we turn it on, hit disc. We're going to start out with 6 egg whites. Already cracked 5, so this makes number 6. And we're going to turn our mixer on with the whisk attachment and let that beat for a little bit. We want to get soft peaks. All right, we've got that beat. It's a stiff, medium to stiff peak. So we're going to put in 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 a cup of brown sugar, and we're going to put in 1 cup of applesauce. Now I use the little individual cups because I tend to, if I open a whole jar, it's going to go to waste, but these will save. So about 4 ounces, so 2 of these little guys will be 1 cup of applesauce. I'm using unsweetened. That's 1, 2 of those guys. We're going to put 1/2 a cup of milk, skim milk. I'm using soy milk. We're going to stir that in. And we're also going to put in about 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. You know, I never measure vanilla. My mom never did. I don't. And we're going to stir that in. At this point, we want to switch this, get rid of this guy, and go back to the paddle attachment. All right, slowly stir that in. Now we're going to add our spices. We've got 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. Let that mix together. Now we're going to put in an 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Let that mix. 2 cups of ground carrots, of shredded carrots, sorry. Still staying fluffy and nice. We're going to put in 2 teaspoons of baking soda, not powder, soda. All right. We're going to turn that down as low as we can go. We're going to slowly put in 1 cup of whole wheat flour. One cup of white flour. Okay. To this, we're going to put in 1/2 cup of raisins. Stir that in. And you could also put in a half a cup of walnuts. We don't do that. We don't like that stuff, so we're not going to do that. And last, to enhance the flavor, just a pinch or two of salt. All right. This is what our batter looks like. We're going to stir it around and make sure we get all the goodness there. Yeah. Okay. All right, we have our 9x13 pan that we've sprayed. This is our batter. We're going to pour that in. Now this is going to cook for 30 to 40 minutes at 350. Shake it out, and that's ready for the oven, so we'll see it in about 30 or 40 minutes. All right, guys, it's been 35 minutes, and I did stick in a toothpick, and it came out clean, so we're going to let that cool. All right, guys, the cake has cooled. Let's go ahead and give us a cut. Free the edges first. It's not really stuck or anything. Cut a small piece. Now let's see if we can get it out. Yep. Okay. Very dense. Interesting little crumb to it. Let's see what it tastes like. All right, we'll put a scoop of low-fat Cool Whip or whip topping. Guys, it looks really good. All right, first of all, the smell. You smell the nutmeg in it? Yeah, yum. That's good. It almost reminds you of a pudding. It's not flaky like a regular cake's gonna be, so don't expect that. But y'all, this has no fat, really. That's outstanding. Almost tastes like gingerbread, but with a little carrot twang to it and that pineapple. Yes, indeed. You guys enjoy it? That whipped topping makes it too. That's actually better than having a thick cream cheese frosting. Go with the whipped topping. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. If you're not a subscriber, please hit subscribe. We're trying to grow our channel. You guys have a great week. We'll see y'all next week. Be safe out there.